Mr. Chairman, Digital Inclusion Week is a national movement supported by the National Digital Inclusion Alliance. This year's theme is Building Connected Communities. Hundreds of localities host and sponsor special events and campaigns to raise awareness and increase digital equity in their communities. This will be the first year that Fairfax County is participating in this National Week of Awareness. Digital equity ensures opportunities for Fairfax County residents to participate and engage in a connected community.
When the Board of Supervisors adopted the One Fairfax policy, one of the areas of focus was digital access and literacy. So through an intentional consideration of how different people and how different places in the county are faring in relation to digital access and literacy, we found that there are actually some inequities, some gaps in people's ability to have access and to be able to utilize digital tools. That's so important in terms of job access, success in school, accessing health information, and just staying involved in the community and knowing what's going on around the world.
This is a great opportunity for our community-based organizations, our partners and providers to come together and share in an effort to bridge that digital gap. We have such providers as Comcast, Cox, T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T as some of those partners that will be engaging with us throughout the event. Our main event is the summit this week, which gives you an opportunity to come in and learn about what is available within the community and how you can enrich your skills, especially living in a digital world.